Hello friends, I would like to invite all of you to join Brahma Muhurta meditation. What is Brahma Muhurta? Brahma Muhurta is the time before sunrise. Why it is important to meditate at Brahma Muhurta? Let me explain you scientifically. We have two nostrils, right and left. Right nostril is associated with Pingala Nadi and left is associated with Ida Nadi. So both of this nadi, when gets fused, the energy starts flowing through the Sushumna nadi. So if you have witnessed, at a time only one nostril is predominant, I mean the force. And after alternate 1.5 hours, other nostril gets in force. So what happens actually in Brahma Muhurta? In Brahma Muhurta, both the nostrils are equally functioning, means both the nostrils are having equal force. In this situation, energy starts flowing through the Sushumna Nadi. And Sushumna Nadi, when energy starts flowing in Sushumna Nadi, it is the state of Yoga Nidra. In this state, if we meditate, we get all kinds of intuition and insights about our life. And it enhances our productivity, sleep gets improved, lot of clarity, decision making is correct, and we feel energetic throughout the day. So please join us at TTL for this Brahma Muhurta meditation. Thank you.